Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on how to crush it with dropshipping. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping and showing you how to build a thriving online store. The best part? You can start with just $100. That's right, you don't need a warehouse full of inventory or a team of employees. Dropshipping is the ultimate lean business model. You only buy products from suppliers after a customer places an order. This means you don't handle inventory. No more packing boxes. You're basically the middleman connecting customers with awesome products. This low-risk model is perfect for beginners. It allows you to test different products and niches without breaking the bank. You can quickly adapt to changing trends and customer demands. With dropshipping, you're in the driver's seat. The dropshipping world is booming, and there's never been a better time to jump in. With powerful tools and platforms available, setting up your online empire is easier than ever. We're talking about platforms like Shopify, the ultimate dropshipping sidekick. Shopify simplifies everything, from building your store to managing orders and tracking inventory. Shopify has your back. It's like having a 24/7 business partner that never sleeps. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your Shopify store step by step. No tech skills needed. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create a professional and visually appealing online store. So, are you ready to turn your dropshipping dreams into a reality? Let's talk about Shopify, the backbone of your dropshipping business. Shopify is an all-in-one platform that makes it incredibly easy to create and manage your online store. From choosing a stunning theme to handling payments and shipping, Shopify takes care of the technical stuff, so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Normally, Shopify costs $29 per month, but we've got a special treat for you. We have an affiliate link in the description below that gives you Shopify for only $1 for the first month. This exclusive deal lets you experience the power of Shopify without breaking the bank. To access this incredible offer, simply go to replace with your actual affiliate link. This link takes you directly to the Shopify sign-up page where you can enter your email address and create a password for your account. It's that simple. Once you've signed up, Shopify guides you through setting up your store. Don't worry. It's super intuitive. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can have a professional-looking online store up and running. Think of your Shopify store as your online storefront. It's where customers come to browse your products, place orders, and learn about your brand. Shopify offers a wide variety of themes, which are pre-designed templates that give your store a polished look and feel. To explore the available themes, head over to the online store section in your Shopify dashboard and click on Themes. You'll find a range of free and paid themes to choose from. Don't worry, the free themes are just as awesome as the paid ones, especially when you're starting. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on Try Theme to preview it with your store's content. Take your time, experiment with different themes, and choose the one that best reflects your brand and target audience. After you've settled on your perfect theme, click on the Publish button to make it live on your store. Congratulations, you've just taken a giant leap towards building your dropshipping empire. Remember that $1 Shopify deal we talked about? It's time to take advantage of it. This limited time offer gives you access to all of Shopify's powerful features at a fraction of the regular cost. It's the perfect opportunity to dip your toes into the dropshipping world without breaking the bank. Shopify's user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to set up your store, even if you're not tech-savvy. You don't need any coding experience or design skills to create a professional and visually appealing online store. Shopify handles all the technical heavy lifting for you. With Shopify, you have complete control over your store's design, product listings, and branding. You can customize every aspect of your store to create a unique and memorable shopping experience for your customers. So, why wait? Head over to the link in the description below and claim your $1 Shopify trial today. It's time to turn your dropshipping dreams into a reality. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, finding your winning product. This is where the real magic happens. Your product choice can make or break your dropshipping business, so it's crucial to choose wisely. First things first, focus on products that are easy to ship. You don't want to deal with bulky items, fragile goods, or products with complicated shipping requirements. Aim for small, lightweight, and durable products that can be easily packaged and shipped. Next, consider the demand and competition for your chosen product. Ideally, you want to find a product with high demand but low competition. This sweet spot allows you to maximize your profits without battling a crowded market. Remember, your product should solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. Think about what people are searching for online and what pain points they're trying to address. If you can offer a solution with your product, you're on the right track. Let's introduce you to AutoDS, your secret weapon in the dropshipping world. AutoDS is a powerful dropshipping automation software that streamlines your entire business, from product sourcing and order fulfillment to price and stock monitoring. Imagine this: finding trending products, adding them to your Shopify store with a single click, and automatically fulfilling orders without lifting a finger. That's the power of AutoDS. It eliminates manual tasks and saves you countless hours, allowing you to focus on growing your business. AutoDS integrates seamlessly with Shopify and offers a range of plans to suit your needs. Whether you're just starting or you're already processing a high volume of orders, AutoDS has a plan for you. We highly recommend checking out AutoDS and taking advantage of their free trial. It's a game changer for dropshippers of all levels. Now that you've got your Shopify store set up and you're familiar with AutoDS, it's time to connect these two powerhouses. This integration is what makes dropshipping truly automated and efficient. Connecting AutoDS to your Shopify store is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions provided by AutoDS and you'll be up and running in no time. Once connected, AutoDS will automatically sync your products, inventory, and orders between the two platforms. This integration means you can manage your entire dropshipping business from a single dashboard. You can add products to your store, track inventory levels, process orders, and monitor your profits all in one place. With AutoDS handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on what truly matters: marketing your products and growing your brand. Now, let's talk about marketing, the lifeblood of your dropshipping business. No matter how amazing your products are, they won't sell themselves. You need to get them in front of the right people, and that's where advertising comes in. Your ads are your first impression, so make them count. Forget boring, generic ads that blend into the background. You want your ads to be eye-catching, engaging, and persuasive. Video ads are incredibly effective for dropshipping. They allow you to showcase your product in action, highlight its benefits, and tell a compelling story that resonates with your audience. When creating your ads, remember to keep them concise, clear, and focused on the value proposition of your product. Highlight the problem your product solves and how it will make your customers' lives better. Once you've created killer ads, it's time to target the right audience. This is where you laser focus your efforts to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your products. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok offer powerful targeting options that allow you to pinpoint your ideal customers. You can target based on demographics like age, gender, location, and interests. For example, if you're selling golf accessories, you can target people who have expressed interest in golf, follow golf brands, or engage with golf content online. This ensures that your ads are seen by people who are actually likely to buy your products. Don't be afraid to experiment with different targeting options and analyze your results to see what works best for your business. The more targeted your ads are, the higher your chances of converting viewers into paying customers. Now comes the exciting part, launching your first ad campaign. This is where you put all your hard work into action and start driving traffic to your Shopify store. You don't need a huge budget to get started with advertising. Start small, test different ad creatives and targeting options, and gradually increase your budget as you start seeing results. Platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and TikTok Ads Manager provide detailed analytics and reporting, allowing you to track the performance of your campaigns. You can see which ads are performing well, which targeting options are most effective, and how much each conversion is costing you. Remember, advertising is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor your campaigns, make adjustments based on your results, and never stop testing new ideas. The more you optimize your campaigns, the better your results will be. And there you have it. You've just taken the first steps towards building your very own dropshipping empire. Remember, starting with just $100, you've unlocked the potential to create a thriving online business from the comfort of your own home. Dropshipping offers a level of flexibility and freedom that traditional businesses can only dream of. Imagine setting your own hours, working from anywhere in the world, and being your own boss. That's the beauty of dropshipping. But here's the key. Take action. Don't let this information go to waste. The dropshipping world rewards those who are willing to put in the effort and learn as they go. Embrace the journey, experiment, and never stop learning. Now is the time to turn your dropshipping dreams into a reality. Don't get caught up in analysis paralysis. The best way to learn is by doing. Sign up for your $1 Shopify trial using the link in the description below. Explore AutoDS and its powerful automation features. Find your winning product, create compelling ads, and start driving traffic to your store. The dropshipping world is full of opportunities for those who are willing to seize them. Believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never give up on your entrepreneurial dreams. We're cheering you on every step of the way. Go out there and crush it.